Hi guys, I'm here to tell you something about air, the vital element for our lives, the gas which fills all our environment, but isn't easy to see air naked eye. And then we will try to demonstrate the presence of air in our environment. To do this, I prepared these three glasses. In one, I put a piece of fluvial stone, which was larger before I break it. And to do this, I had to use a hammer, and I obtained this small piece of stone, which I put inside this glass. In the other, I put some water, which is liquid. In fact, we are talking about the three states of matter: solid, liquid, and in this glass, which seems empty, there's air too, like the air which is filling our room, our environment. But isn't it easy to demonstrate the presence of the air? And you have to think that until the second half of the 17th century, science hadn't given the answers about the presence and overall the component of air, but now we know that air, our atmosphere, the air we need for our breathing, is composed by these elements. The most part of the air is nitrogen, also called azote, by a word which scientists used from the Greek language. The second part is oxygen we need for our life. A small part of this great amount of microscopical particles are other substances by which there's carbon dioxide, and we have to pay attention at the presence of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, because lately we are exaggerating with our activities which produce carbon dioxide. Then we have to thank scientists for their work, so for their job. And we have to believe in science, because nowadays sometimes it's possible to find somebody who deny the value of the science, and they try to deceive Navy people, because they understand that the truth is in magic, and we have to deny this, because we have to believe in science. And then we will continue to talk about these three states of matter: solid, liquid is water. It's liquid because the different molecules which compose this element aren't sticked together closely like the stone. These molecules slide each other, and I can move this, and I can change the shape of this water, because water takes the shape of its container. You can see that in this way the shape of the water changed, and I can demonstrate the other changing, because I put another time in this glass. the water. This glass seems empty, but this glass is filled of air, and I can't see the air which is inside this glass or the air which is around me, but if I could observe the contents of these three glasses, I would see this image. The first is the solid. The molecules are sticked closely together. The second is liquid, the water. Molecules are sliding together, and when I make this movement, they are sliding. The third glass contains air molecules. They are vibrating and floating. As are floating all molecules we have in our environment. Around me there are a lot of molecules of air, and I can demonstrate to you the presence of these molecules if I bring this small bundle of paper strip, and with my breath I can move this small bundle of paper strip if I exhale my breathing with strength. In this way, I am pushing in the direction of this bundle the air which I had in my lungs, and all molecules which are placed in the space between my mouth and the bundle are moving toward the bundle. I can demonstrate this movement also with if I use another object. For example, a folding fan. This is the movement of air molecules which are around us, and we can observe this movement when we are out and we observe the top of the trees and the leaves which are moving by the storm of the wind. Then we can believe in science, because science is able to give us the answer of a lot of questions we have, and time by time science gives us the answer of all problem of our knowledge. In fact, science gives the feeding for our knowledge. And next time we will talk about the weight of air, the weight of the molecules of air. See you soon. Bye bye.